Do you ever feel unsteady on your feet? Maybe you have grabbed a wall or a countertop to catch yourself, and it gave you a little scare. Falls are one of the biggest concerns for seniors, but the wonderful truth is that balance is a skill. And just like any skill, you can practice it and get better. Let me show you 4 simple movements that will make you feel steadier and more confident every single day. Exercise 1 is called the standing chair hold. An elderly woman stands behind a sturdy chair, placing both hands lightly on the top of the backrest. She stands tall, lifts her chin, and relaxes her shoulders. Then she slowly shifts her weight onto her right foot, lifting her left foot just an inch off the floor. A senior woman smiling while holding a chair shows how safe and simple this feels. Hold for 5 slow breaths, then switch sides. Breathe deeply and keep your eyes focused on one still point in front of you. This is the foundation of better balance. Exercise 2 is the heel-to-toe stand. An old man stands behind his kitchen chair, holding it lightly for support. He places his right foot directly in front of his left foot, so that his right heel touches his left toes. He stands tall and holds this narrow position for 10 slow seconds. A senior man standing heel-to-toe near a bright window shows how focused and calm this exercise feels. Only go as far as feels safe and comfortable. Switch feet and repeat. This movement trains the deep stabilizing muscles in your ankles and legs. Exercise 3 is the side leg raise. A senior woman stands straight behind a sturdy chair, holding the backrest with both hands. She slowly lifts her right leg out to the side, just a few inches off the floor. She holds for 2 seconds, then gently lowers it back down. An elderly woman doing a slow side leg raise in peaceful morning sunlight shows how graceful this movement looks. Do 10 lifts on each side. Keep your standing legs slightly soft, never locked. Breathe steadily throughout the entire movement. Exercise 4 is the eyes closed balance practice. An old woman stands near her kitchen counter with both hands resting lightly on the surface. She closes her eyes gently and simply stands still for 10 seconds, feeling the floor beneath her feet. A senior woman standing quietly with her eyes closed and a calm expression shows how powerful stillness can be. This trains your body to balance without relying only on your vision. Practice this every single day. Over time, you will feel steadier, calmer, and far more confident walking through your home. You have just done something incredibly brave and important for yourself today. A senior couple walking hand in hand outdoors in warm afternoon sunshine shows what confidence and freedom look like. Every second you practice today is an investment in your safety and independence. You are stronger than you think. Keep showing up for yourself every day. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.